In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix black screen on Steam. If your Steam window opens but stays blank or unresponsive, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes that address the most common causes. First, open the Steam app from your desktop icon or your applications folder. Give it a moment to load. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account name and password so you can access your library and the store. Having full access ensures we can reach all the settings we need. Next, head into Settings. Look to the upper left of the Steam window, click on Steam, and choose Settings from the drop-down. This is the control center for updates, interface preferences, downloads, and cache options that can affect display issues. Once you're in Settings, select Interface on the left side. Here's the key step: under Client Beta Participation, opt into the Steam Beta Update program. The beta channel often includes early fixes for UI and rendering problems, including black screens. When you opt in, Steam may download an update and can prompt you to restart. That's normal, and will restart shortly to apply changes. While we're still in Settings, it's a good idea to clear out built-in browser data that can get corrupted and cause a blank or frozen view. Go to Web Browser and delete the Steam web browser cache and cookies. This doesn't affect your games, it just refreshes the mini browser Steam uses for the store and community pages. Next, clear your download cache. Go to Downloads in Settings and choose the option to clear the download cache. This is safe and helps remove stuck or damaged files that can interfere with the client's normal behavior. After clearing, you may be asked to sign back in the next time Steam starts, which is expected. Before we wrap, make sure your Steam client is up to date, since newer builds often include fixes for black screen issues. Also ensure your graphics drivers are current. Outdated drivers can cause rendering problems in desktop apps, not just games, so keeping them updated helps prevent UI glitches. Now restart Steam to apply everything you changed and test the result. When it comes back up, sign in if prompted and check whether the interface loads normally. With the beta updates enabled, browser data cleaned, download cache cleared, and your software updated, most black screen issues should be resolved. That's it. I hope this helped you get Steam working again. Thanks for watching.